Now we go to the 2019 NEET question paper, which is incorrect. Claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. Lysergic acid dimethylamide is a hallucinating agent, LSD. That's a correct statement. From this fungus, we get the hallucinating agent, LSD and many alkaloids. Conidia are produced exogenously and ascospores are endogenously produced. Conidia are exogenously produced. See, in the fungi, we will be having some special branches produced from where you will be having conidia produced exogenously. Asexual spores are produced. They are all exogenously produced. And ascospores, they are produced in the special sac, that is the fruiting body, which is in the form of a sac. So it's called endogenously. 8 ascospores may be produced, so that is correct. This is for ascomycetes. Yeast have filamentous bodies. No, yeast is a unicellular. They will be having no mycelium. They produce pseudomycelium. That is the characteristic feature of the yeast. They have single cells and they produce by budding and they will be remaining attached to one another. They will be forming colonies, which is almost similar to that of a multicellular fungal mycelium. It is not a true mycelium because it is a colony, not a single. So that is why we say that it is a pseudomycelium. Only one fungus which is producing pseudomycelium is yeast. So that is the incorrect one. Morels and truffles are edible delicacies. They are all belonging to ascomycetes. They are all edible. Morels are called morcella and truffles.